Hello, this is my bin with the empties for the month of June. So I'm gonna go one by one and let you know what's inside. We have SweetSpot, the gentle wash. It works, like it does cleanse. If you want something more natural for your private areas, this one is kind of neat. I have a sample of the Vera, Wang, Marigold and Gardenia. I like this fragrance and I enjoyed so much that I bought the full size. The two base notes are Marigold and Gardenia, as the title says. For me, it smells like summer, and yes, I do like it. Then we have another wash from Ziaja. You can buy their products online. I know it comes, at least this particular one, comes in a big size. So next time when I'm gonna be ordering, I'm gonna give it a try. We have Sensodyne. I value my teeth, so I use this one. And I repurchase it many times. Then we have salt scrub. Okay, that's the 3-hat salt scrub with fig and olive. This one, I wasn't really impressed with it because it has charcoal. It was dark in color and it stained my bath tube, and also it was very hard to apply. Now, I bought it on sale, so I have one more tube of it, but once I use it, I will not repurchase. I prefer the other kinds of the 3-hat, especially I believe it's mango. Yeah, here we go. Stick from the Physician's Formula with cucumber and bamboo. It's supposed to depuff your eyes. Now it's full because it's full. Now it's a gel and I'm not into gels, and also I don't have puffiness. So instead of this laying around on my shelf, I'm just decluttering. Another product from the same brand, the coconut milk eye makeup remover. This was really nice and gentle. You put it on your cotton pad, place on your eyelids for a couple seconds, and it does remove makeup. And also it's very gentle, so if it's gonna be on sale, for sure I'm gonna repurchase it. The leave-in conditioner. Now I use this one as a detangler and it was quite nice. I like it. Shampoo and conditioner from L'Oreal, that's their smooth therapy. However, Cara Oleo, I will say it's more as a dupe for the Olaplex, which is supposed to save your hair. I did like it because it did smooth the hair and it was easier for me to brush them. Yeah, I do enjoy goat milk products, so yeah, I did like it, and if I'm gonna be in Canada, for sure I'm gonna pick it up because they are a little bit cheaper. This is one of my favorite hairsprays. I try many different ones and I'm always coming back to this one. That's the Aussie hairspray. It gives the flexible hold. Once I spray into my hairs, I still can run my fingers through them. So yes, I do like it and I will repurchase it. Okay, we have the Hydro Boost. Okay, we have the Neutrogena Hydrating Serum, which was really nice. So it's a hyaluronic acid with suspended vitamin E's. I did like it. It was a good serum and I don't mind buying it again. That's the Advanced Clinicals Total Foot Renew. It's good for dry feet, and it does what it claims. So it helps with the dry heels, peeling, and it does soften your skin. Now I bought this one in TG Maxx. It's a huge tube, so if you see it, even for regular price, it's worth getting, and it lasts you for a while. Then we have Advanced Night Repair from Estee Lauder. That was their limited edition package. This is a classic. Okay, it's a classic product and it's my staple in my routine. Right now, I'm trying different hyaluronic acid products. So for right now, I'm gonna put it away. But yeah, I went through, I don't know, at least 20 bottles of it over the years, if not more. But yeah, I do enjoy this product. We have Resist Moisturizer. So technically it's a moisturizer with SPF. Here we go with antioxidants. I do like it, and because the weather is changing, this one was great. I don't mind repurchasing again. So I know I don't mind repurchasing again, and this one it's for normal dry. There is another one which comes in a lightened package and has a little bit of a color, so I want to try that one next. But yeah, I did like it. Alright, let's keep going with the empties. I take them out of the container, so it's gonna be easier for me. That's the Maybelline Erase Dark Circles. It's a really great concealer. This one is in a fair. If you're looking something affordable which does the job, this one is perfect. We have Attraction. That's a perfume from Avon. Unfortunately, you cannot buy it in Europe. Sorry, you cannot buy it in the States, but you can buy it in Europe. Now, Avon used to be one company, but now they split between US and European market. So some of the products which you can buy here are not available over there, and vice versa. Now, if you get chance, I would say smell it. It's a nice female floral fragrance, but it's not overpowering. But it's really nice. I'm gonna put a link in the description box. That's the Elf setting powder. I bought it because Tara was recommending it. As you can tell, it's empty. Once I put it on a brush, I put all over my face, and then this thing fell inside my sink and it broke into pieces. I thought maybe I can put it together and fix it with alcohol. It's so soft and powdery, it was breaking apart. Now, whatever I put on my face, yes, it did work, and it did keep my face, it did matte my skin or face. However, if you buy this, make sure or be very, very gentle. I will consider repurchasing, possibly I will, but for right now, I'm gonna use what I can. That's the night cream with saffron. Now you can easily buy it online as well. That's the European version. Even though it says it's for mature skin, it has enough ingredients to really, really hydrate your skin, and it's a reasonable price. That's a sample of the Dove anti-dandruff. I don't have dandruff, but it was nice for dryness, so I was fine with it. The Elf Hydrating Bubble Mask. I used this one previously. I just recycled this and put my Estee Lauder cream into it. Right now it's empty, so I'm just putting it aside. It's a perfume from Victoria's Secret. That's the Angels Only. If you're familiar with the Flower Bomb, this one is similar. I don't think they make it anymore, but yes, I did like it. I have at least 5 or 6 of them. This sponge is really good, and if you're at Walmart, definitely pick it up. Now, I did the foundation declutter, and you're gonna see some of the products. One of them is the Garnier BB cream. It's fine, but this one it's fine, but the color doesn't work for me, so I'm just throwing this one away. Also, I want to try this one, but when I saw the expiration, I'm like, you know what, I'm not gonna even waste my time, so I'm gonna get rid of it. This one's supposed to be good. Unfortunately, I have a dry skin, and this product exaggerates my pores, so This one is on his way out as well. Alright, with the mascaras, I have a small sample from Elizabeth Arden. Now this is supposed to give you a volume. Now the thing which I like about it, I'm gonna focus. Okay, is the brush. It's a curved brush. Now it does what it claims. However, when you take it out of the tube, there is a lot of product, so you have to clean it or brush it out. But otherwise, it is a really good mascara. It's coming in a white tube, but since Olme it's cruelty free, they repackaged some of their products. Let me just take the brush out. Come on. Here we go. For me, this is like prototype of the Tarte. No, it's a Too Faced mascara or L'Oreal Paradise. So, but this one, it is really nice. Then we have small sample of the Vichy serum. Then we have a sample of the Vichy serum. It says it's for lifting. Honestly, I didn't see any lifting. I know we have a packet somewhere up here. Where are you? Come on, here we go. Now, if you look at the ingredients, some of the things are glycerin. I know they have glycolic. Here we go. Hyaluronic acid, salicylic acid. So yeah, it does help with your skin texture. But yes, I did like it, and as with the other one, I was layering. Alright, I did like the product. The consistency was like a, I'm not gonna say milky gel. No, it was a liquidy gel with a milky texture. I did like it, and if I'm gonna go through majority of my serums, I don't mind repurchasing. Eye cream. I don't know what kind of a skin type. Here we go. It's a firming. Now this one has a thicker texture, so I use it at night to hydrate my skin around my eyes, and yeah, was fine. Okay, we have the clay mask from Origins with a pink clay, so it's pink. You put it on your face, it dries, and it has a little bits, so it's up to you. Once you take it off, you can just add some water and do a scrub, do a peeling. Here we go. Alright, as I said earlier, I was decluttering, and this is a CoverGirl glitz, or I should say tapper. Yeah, glitter top coat. I'm not gonna see myself using it, so I'm just decluttering it. So this one just goes to trash. Okay, so the sample pads. So it's a sample from Up and Up brand for the cotton rounds. Were quite fine. I didn't mind. If I'm gonna be in a need to buy a cotton rounds, I will look into them. Okay, then we have, here we go. This is an empty of the Estee Lauder Little Black Primer. I went through many of them. The thing which I really enjoy, besides the brush, because it's curved, it's black ply. Besides the brush, which is curved, I do enjoy that it comes in a black color. So on the lazy days when I don't feel like fighting with mascara, I'm gonna only curl my lashes and put this one product, and I already repurchased 2 more. So yeah, that's one of my staple products as well. Okay, we have a sunscreen from Clio. It's fine, like I didn't mind it. It has SPF 50. The only minus, once you put it on, it leaves a white cast, so you need to blend. Okay, then we have the unscrub from Paula's Choice. When I was using it, I thought it's a scrub. Technically, it's a face wash with a little bits, but when you massage it, those bits are disappearing, so there is nothing left. Alright, we got the Wet n Wild lip gloss. Now, I'm trying this. Okay, it's a pretty color. Already have couple in my stack. I'm throwing it away because, here we go. The cap, it's off. I know I can glue it or work it out or do something, but on sale, this one is maybe like $1 or less than $2, so it's cheap, and you know what, I'm not gonna waste time for it. Now this is an empty of the Neutrogena Hydro Boost gloss. What's the color? Here we go. Coral, flashed coral. It's really nice. I already have a couple other colors and I do enjoy it. Now with this one, I do like the brand. I have their hand and foot cream, also a body lotion, and lip product, but not this one. So besides this one, I have one in a like a stick form. With this, because it's a cooling relief, I believe it has not mint spray, not mint, peppermint oil. Either way, it's supposed to be cooling, but unfortunately it's separated and I don't like that one, so I'm just throwing this one away. I finished the chapstick in our original version. Okay, we have glycolic peel pads from L'Oreal. I went through many tubes of them. They're good. I do enjoy it. They have 10% AHA. Here we go, the 30 pads. And I do like the size of it. And one pad can do your whole face. Eyeshadow. Few things left. Next one is Maybelline eyeshadow. Now the pink one, it's very... Try to open it. It's very glittery, so it's gonna end up all over your face. And this one, it's really powerful. It's pigmented. I'm decluttering it because I can easily find this shade in another palette. This one, Then we have night cream from Mario Badescu. Was fine. I didn't mind it. We have couple mask from Miss Spa. I'm not gonna spend too much time on them because Miss Spa, they make a really nice and Miss Spa makes good quality sheet mask, so I'm not gonna spend too much time on it, but otherwise they were nice. Now that's another sheet mask from Tony Moly. The thing which scared me about it, it's the lavender, because I'm not a big fan of lavender, but this one, you couldn't even smell it, so it was very gentle. And yes, it does hydrate. Another one from Miss Spa. Then we have, oh yeah, shampoo from Ziaja. It smells really nice. I'm sure you know how the argan smells, but the tsubaki oil make this product really pleasant to use. Alright, we got another sample. We have makeup removers from Walgreens. Now this is a dupe for the Neutrogena removing wipes. Now I prefer those ones. I prefer this than the Neutrogena because they're less fragrant and also they're more hydrated. So definitely I'm gonna repurchase it if I'm in a need of a towelettes. And lastly are the cotton puffs from Misha. They come in a pack of 100 and they're similar, she said, the cotton pads, but they're like at least half of the price. So when they are on sale, usually I try to stack it up. Okay, so those were my empties. The products which are worth trying out, I'm gonna link into our description box. But otherwise, I see you guys in the next video. Bye!